Welcome to the learning activity called Badges4Real, and it's an idea of building a web page where we use blended learning with Office Mix. And blended learning is a term that means that you use both online materials and in real life problem solving. The web page is starting to take a certain structure. You will enter the home page, and the next thing is that the options you have is to either submit new things, and then you can also perform a challenge by adding your own example or adding a tutorial. If this one meets the requirements, the teacher will give out a digital badge. The students in the group can also give annotations by giving up to 5 stars on each challenge. So if a students have committed the challenge, they can actually get stars for this one. Now, digital badges. The way we work with them now is that we will have a badge ecosystem showing what badges that are available and the paths how to get to the different badges. This will also take you to each badge description, and now the link that comes with the badge will actually take you to the badge description. And the next thing, to verify that you actually are awarded the badge and you haven't managed to copy it or taken it from someone, you need to be listed in the Hall of Fame. And the start page will basically just give you information how it works. Challenge yourself is where you will choose a challenge to take on and give an example. Once you've done an example, you can actually give a tutorial to other students. When you submit new things, it means that you create your own challenge. And at the moment, we have changing ecosystem, chemical pollution, social responsibility, and sustainable development as areas. But we can actually add during the year. Once you go into a challenge, you will read the instructions and you will actually see an example, which can be a video or a link to another web page where there's an open educational resource. And you can then choose to either do the challenge, or if you have a tutorial, you can make a tutorial for other people who want to do the challenge. You will find that there's a little description, and the main purpose here is to say that by doing challenges outside of the classroom, the student will be more prepared and will be able to improve from formative assessment, both from peer assessment and even from the assessments given by the teacher, and improve the work during class. The page I mentioned before was Challenge Yourself, and that is where all the challenges are, and the categories as I started now is chemical pollution, changing ecosystems, sustainable development, and social responsibility. And once you go into these ones, go to the social responsibility, you get to the different challenges, and you will see that the challenges are listed in blocks. And once you choose one of these ones, it will open up in full screen, and is also working on a mobile device. Once you go in here, you will find the description, what is required to meet this challenge. And in this example you should hand in, you should submit an initiative to stop human trafficking. And once this is done, you will go down here and you will add your example. If you want to show how you did your example and the process behind it, you can also go and do a tutorial. And as you see, when we go to here, add this one, you will get a little screen saying example title, the URL for the example, and then the example description. So really it will take you to a resource on the internet and it could be on your blog page, or it could be a video film, or it could be an Office Mix presentation. Next thing is also that you can submit new things, and this is normally only held to the administrator, but with a password you can allow students also to create their own type of challenge. And the final one we have here is just about page, and also you can go into this one saying all examples, and when you go to all examples you will see all the ones that has been submitted on one page. That is how it looks online in the net.